This is Brandon from the Messy Engineer with some basic Glowforge tips for repeatability and speed. So this is my best friend Matt. Matt works at a brewery and asked me to make some of these really cool free beer tokens. I asked him how many. He said, "Oh, just 1,000." So jumped on Etsy, got 7 pounds of wooden nickels, and got started.
So I'm going to start by using a scrap piece of wood to hold my jig, make sure it's consistent.
Now, don't do what I did. I got really excited about this align tool in Glowforge app and ended up putting them way too close and having way too much slop. Not really good if you want good repeatability. And you got all these little diamond things. So we go and throw those away. And going to go ahead and try again here. We're going to space out the slots a little bit better, as you can see here. I get a little space in between them, so now very reusable. Next, we're going to go ahead and copy our design over, and this is what I did first. I just went ahead and copied that free beer design into our jig, being very careful not to move that jig, those cut lines. We want to make sure those stay consistent. And then I'm going to go ahead and just do a basic, I have like a custom wooden nickel engraving profile there. And next we're going to see, so this is going to take 3 hours and 32 minutes. I think we can do better than that. So what we're going to do is we're going to export the design out of Glowforge. And then I'm going to take it in Inkscape, but you can take it in any kind of vector software you want. The Glowforge exports with all the different settings there in the bottom left, so go ahead and delete those. Then we're going to ungroup our design because we don't want the cut lines in there. We just want what we want to engrave, which is that free beer text. So we're going to go ahead and select all those and delete them. Next, we're going to export, and you can export into a single PNG or SVG. And then we're back in Glowforge deleting all those individually copied, and now we're just going to import the one, scale it to the right size, being careful not to move those jig or cut lines. And now when using the single PNG, we're down to 1 hour and 16 minutes.
Anybody else thirsty?